Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, we're going to evaluate this difference quotient for the function f of x equals x cubed. And this kind of problem is really good practice for something that's coming up in another chapter or two. So we're going to need to find f of a plus h. Let's do that off to the side. F of a plus h would be a plus h quantity cubed. And we're also going to need to find f of a. F of a would be a cubed. So let's go ahead and substitute those into the quotient. And we have a plus h quantity cubed minus a cubed over h. Okay, now the bulk of the work is going to be figuring out how to expand a plus h quantity cubed. There is a shortcut for this. If you happen to know the binomial theorem and you know how to use Pascal's triangle as your coefficients, you'll get 1a to the third power plus 3a squared h plus 3ah squared plus 1h cubed. If you don't know that binomial theorem shortcut, what you're going to do is multiply a plus h times a plus h times a plus h, and you can do that by multiplying two of them together using the FOIL method. And when you're done with that, then you multiply it by the third. So you get a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. Now you multiply it by the third one. And when you're done with all of that, and you have combined the like terms, it's going to end up to be equivalent to what I have above. Okay, so expanding the binomial cubed gives us a cubed plus 3a squared h plus 3ah squared minus a plus h cubed, and then we still have minus a cubed at the end, and that's all over h. Notice that we have an a cubed and a minus a cubed. Let's cancel those. And let's look at what we have left. All three terms in the numerator have a factor of h. So if we factor h out of them, the other factor will be 3a squared plus 3ah plus h squared. And that's all over h. So we can cancel the h from the top and the bottom. And what we have now is 3a squared plus 3ah plus h squared.